Introducing the all-new, upgraded Pit Boss Pro Series Vertical Wood Pellet Smoker, featuring 4 porcelain-coated cooking racks that stack together to provide over 6,452 square centimeters of adjustable cooking space. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, use the Pit Boss Smoke IT app to control temperature settings from 65 to 215 degrees Celsius. Monitor meat probes and much more from the convenience of your phone, so you can spend more time with your friends and family without compromising the quality of your food. 100% all-natural hardwood pellets give you the best wood-fired flavor with ease. Simply fill the hopper, turn the unit on, set your desired temp, and let the fan force convection heat do the work for you. The Pro Series Vertical Wood Pellet Grill is the perfect addition to any party. Smoking, roasting, and baking are so convenient that you'll discover reasons to wheel it out for every occasion. Its small size packs a powerful punch with a 29-kilogram hopper capacity and a large view window to eliminate the need for peekaboo cooking. With the best-in-class 5-year warranty, every Pit Boss grill is crafted with heavy-duty stainless steel, making your grilling machine the biggest, hottest, heaviest in its class. That's truly dependable quality, built to entertain a crowd for years to come. Grilling done right with Pit Boss Pro Series.